Welcome to our basic tutorial series on Microsoft Teams. In our second video, we will be creating a Microsoft Teams account and we will log into Teams. Let's get started. From the login page, we hit sign up for a free account. And we enter an email that we'd like to use as our Microsoft Teams sign-in account. Select for work. Next. Create account. Now we need to create a password for our Microsoft Teams account. Okay, and then we will click Next. Microsoft will send you a verification email. Check your email and then put the code in that they sent to you. Here we enter our name, first and last, and then company name. And we'll hit Set Up Teams. Okay, now we use our Microsoft Teams account email once more and select Sign In. We'll need to put in our password. And click on Sign In. Okay, now we're inside of our Microsoft Teams account. From here, you can see the features at the bottom of the page. Teams will need access to your microphone to make calls. We have chat feature, other member feature. In here, we can set our availability to see if we're busy or available. And we can change from various settings from the menus. And we can also invite people to join our team.